Welcome to today's segment on the history of Ford Motor Company. From its humble beginnings over a century ago, Ford has grown to become one of the most iconic and influential car manufacturers in the world. With a legacy of innovation and affordability, Ford has played a significant role in shaping the automotive industry. Let's take a closer look at the history of Ford and how it evolved into the global powerhouse it is today. Ford Motor Company was founded by Henry Ford in 1903 in Michigan, USA. Ford had a passion for mechanics and had been working in the automotive industry for several years before starting his own company. He had a vision of making affordable cars for the average consumer and believed that the key was to find a way to mass-produce automobiles. In 1908, Ford introduced the Model T, which was the first car to be mass-produced on an assembly line. This method of production made it possible to produce cars more quickly and at a lower cost. By 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been sold, making it one of the most successful car models in history. Ford's commitment to innovation and affordability continued throughout the years, and in 1913, Ford implemented a $5 8-hour workday, which was a significant increase in pay at the time. This was not only a significant improvement in the lives of Ford's workers, but it also helped to set a new standard for fair wages in the industry. Ford was also an early adopter of the use of robots in manufacturing, starting in 1961. This was a significant innovation that helped Ford to increase production efficiency and reduce costs. The Ford Mustang, introduced in 1964, is one of the company's most iconic and popular models. It was a revolutionary design that combined power, style, and affordability. The Mustang was an instant success and continues to be a popular model to this day. Ford's influence extends beyond the automotive industry and has played a significant role in American culture. Ford's iconic models, such as the Mustang and Ford F-150, are symbols of American ingenuity, power, and freedom. In the 21st century, Ford has also been investing in sustainable transportation options by developing electric and hybrid vehicles, while reducing their environmental impact. Ford has come a long way since its humble beginnings and has a rich history of innovation, affordability, and cultural significance. This is just a brief overview of the history of Ford Motor Company, a company that has played a significant role in shaping the automobile industry and continues to do so. Number 1. Ford was the first automobile manufacturer to offer an affordable car for the masses, the Model T. With the introduction of the Model T in 1908, Ford revolutionized the automobile industry by making cars accessible and affordable to the average consumer. The Model T was designed to be easy to drive, reliable, and affordable, and it quickly became one of the most popular cars in the world. Number 2. Ford was also the first company to adopt assembly line production, which made automobiles more affordable and accessible to the average consumer. Ford's use of the assembly line not only reduced the cost of production, but also significantly increased the speed at which cars could be produced. This innovation was a turning point in the history of the automobile industry and changed the way cars were manufactured forever. Number 3. In 1913, Ford introduced a $5 per day minimum wage, which was a significant increase at the time and helped set a new standard for fair wages in the industry. This increase in pay not only helped improve the lives of Ford's workers, but also helped set a new standard for fair wages across the industry. This move was seen as a significant step forward in the fight for workers' rights and fair pay. Number 4. Ford was also an early adopter of the use of robots in manufacturing, starting in 1961. This was a significant innovation that helped Ford to increase production efficiency and reduce costs. Ford's use of robots in manufacturing was a significant step forward in the history of automation and helped pave the way for the widespread use of robots in manufacturing today. Number 5. Ford introduced the iconic Mustang model in 1964, which quickly became one of the company's most popular models and continues to be popular today. The Mustang was a revolutionary design that combined power, style, and affordability, and it quickly became one of the most popular cars in the world. The Mustang has become a symbol of American ingenuity, power, and freedom, and continues to be one of Ford's most iconic models. Number 6, Ford has been involved in motorsports for decades, winning numerous races such as the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Ford's involvement in motorsports has helped to promote the company's brand and showcase the performance and capabilities of its cars. Ford has been a major player in motorsports and has won numerous races, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans, one of the most prestigious endurance races in the world. Number 7, Ford is also a leader in sustainable transportation, investing in the development of electric and hybrid vehicles to reduce their environmental impact. Ford has a long-standing commitment to sustainability and has invested in the development of electric and hybrid vehicles. Their goal is to provide customers with a range of sustainable transportation options while reducing their environmental impact. Number 8, Ford is one of the largest and most influential car manufacturers in the world, with a presence in over 190 markets and operations in over 150 countries. Ford's global reach and influence have made it one of the most successful and respected car manufacturers in the world. Ford's commitment to innovation, affordability, and sustainable transportation will continue to shape the future of the automobile industry. That concludes our segment on Ford Motor Company. We hope you learned something new about this storied and influential company. From its humble beginnings to its innovations in manufacturing and design, Ford has left an indelible mark on the automotive industry and in our culture. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more, and don't forget to check out the playlist full of other videos. Bye-bye.